How does it feel? Good? First, we are going to write our limiting beliefs on it. Please watch this. Write down anything in your life that you want to break. We are going to have a breakthrough after this. Correct? You are all here to achieve big things in life. True? All of you are capable of doing great things. People at your age are doing great things. Correct? Then what is holding you back? Let's break them. You have your colors, you have your sketch pens, draw, write, whatever it is. Write as many number of things. If you think time management is something which is holding you back, write it down. Isn't it? Lack of knowledge is holding you back, write it down. If you want to repeat the points, good. But this time you will write only one side. Please write. Write those negative things. Okay, and time. And everybody is done? Everybody keep your paper ulta. Aishwarya ji, can you please come here? Aishwarya ji, have you ever got a handwritten letter from your daughter or your son? Handwritten letter. Correct? See, can we put emotions into paper or not? I'll ask her. We'll check her out. Has any of your loved ones, she has ever written a letter to you? Correct? Isn't it? Now, when did she write that letter? Listen carefully, everybody. 1 year ago, she wrote this thing. 2024, she wrote a letter. She wrote, what did she write? Sorry for doing mistakes. Now, tell me one thing. Listen carefully. Pay attention now. If you take the paper now, please turn this side. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Hold. Exhale. Breathe in, hold, exhale. Now you are in your house, keep your eyes closed. You are in your house, there is a place where you have kept this piece of paper. Are you there now? Very nice, wonderful, she's participating really. You are there. Now you pull out this letter. You are doing this all mentally, you are visualizing in your mind picture. You are visualizing in your mind picture. Pull that paper out, open it, read it. In your mind. Read it in your mind. In your mind. You don't have to speak anything. Take a deep breath. Hold and exhale. Yes. Now, open your eyes. Tell us, how was the experience? What did you feel? Listen to the word feel. Emotions. What were your emotions when you were doing this? When you were reading it, how did you feel? She felt very happy. But it's a piece of paper, no? And now she's not even doing it really. She's doing it in her mind. The letter is where? In her house, kept somewhere very safely. Now, my question to you, will you throw it away? Why? Written by her. So, written words have emotions. Written words have feelings. They have emotions. It is just a piece of paper. But those words given on that. Correct, isn't it? So, writing it down is a very powerful part. Correct, isn't it? Yeah. Will you give me the paper? Your friends and your mother has given. You will give me the paper? The paper only, no. It's a paper. So these are letters you are attached to. You are attached to your sister's letter, you will not part. Correct? It's a very precious thing. But what is the value of it? What is the value of it? Zero. But in your mind, it is worth any amount of money. Any amount of money, correct? You will not take any money for it. It is just a big, very important memory. Priceless memory for you, correct? Will you part it for any money? No. Isn't it correct? These are memories. So my dear friends, so it's very, very simple. We get attached to it. Now, the things that you have written, you are attached to it also. So you can attach and also you can detach. You can attach and also you can detach. You can write down your difficult things, your challenges, your habits and all the things and let it go. Shall we let it go? Are you ready to let it go? See, she's holding on to good things. But now, should she hold on to bad things also? Now what you have all done is, listen very carefully, what you have all done is you have written the negative things. Can you read down what are the things? Monica has got a letter from her mother. You don't want to part with it. It is very close to you, close to your heart. You want to keep it with you all the time? Purti is written in your letter. Now this is a letter. This is not a letter, this is a document. These are the things you don't want. Correct? These are there. Read it out.
Procrastinating, waking up late, sleeping late night, not being punctual. Procrastination, not able to look at plans, fear of failure, and clinging on to the older stories.
Clinging on. Did you see? Now, please, both of them are attached to some paper. Both of that is at home. Will they give it away? No. So same thing you can do opposite also, no? Paper is attached, paper can detach also. Do you want to stay attached to this? You want to stay attached to it? So now, see, it's very simple. Take a look at this. This is her letter. Let's assume this is the letter she gave you. She has written, Amma, I love you. You're most beautiful Amma. You're most amazing Amma. Sorry Amma, I love you. I'll do whatever it is. She has given it to you. What does it become? Attached to you. A piece of paper with the right things can get emotionally attached. The same, another piece of paper you can put it here and you can also detach. Did you understand? Anytime. So I'm going to give you a habit number 1. Technique number 1. Everybody, coach, give me technique number 1. You want to get rid of anything negative, write it down. Anything negative, anything which is limiting you, write it down. When it can get attached, it can detach also. Correct? You write it down and we will burn it. After we burn it, what happens? It goes to the universe. It's over. Finish. Got it? Isn't it? Yeah. So her letter, when she gave a letter, it got attached. This can also detach. See, this is not a piece of paper. The letter which is given by her is not a piece of paper. It is set of pure emotions. She loves it. Correct? This one, she wants to let go. Love and let go are opposite things. Love and... So are you ready to let go? How many of you are ready to let go? Say aye. So what we are going to do is, we're going to have a wonderful activity right now. We're just going to burn it away. Ready? Isn't it? Shall we burn it off? How many are excited? Wonderful, lovely. Yeah. So please, my dear friends, whatever you're writing is not just written some words. They are something that you want to get away with. You want to let go? If I don't want it, I let it go. Are you ready? We will let it go to the universe. Do you want to see how letting go feels? Okay. Aishwarya ji, please come here. Aishwarya ji, you stand here. You also keep a paper there. Hold. Keep holding, keep holding. Who says that Sapad is here? Keep holding. Give me some more water bottle. We'll keep holding, yeah. Keep. Chechi. Chechi, nice. Come on, give me some more water bottle. Yeah, give me some bags also. Bags. Yeah. Chechi. Chechi, this is not going. Chechi, you have to hold it. Come on, hold all that. Yeah. Yes. We'll put everything. Where? Give me some more bags.
What? I don't know.
No, but she's holding a lot of things. She's very strong lady. She's very strong lady. Some more. They're very excited. She's smiling. She's smiling. Chechi, it's okay. Neck. Ah. Chechi, the video will look really good, Chechi. Some more. Yeah. No. Laptop. So you want more? No, then you want more? If you don't want it, so you want it?
No.
Then what you should do? Let it go. Start letting go. Feeling better? How does it look? Yeah. So like this, we are also holding on to a lot of things. Shall we let go? Definitely.
Don't let go by one.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't drop. Yes. So time to let go. Chechi, you did a brave thing, huh? Chechi said, Chechi will have video. Coach TRY to kill me. Coach TRY to kill me with a handbag. Actual handbag, huh? Imported, huh? Oh, okay. Chinese made handbag. Okay. Can we give her a big round of applause? So first one is, if I can't, that will give you energy. And if I don't want it, now the things that you've written, do you want it? Do you want it? No, right? So shall we let it go? Yes, come on. The third one will be, if I don't want to break through it. The breakthrough we will do it inside, yes. How does it feel? Good? Let it be like that. It's okay. Now you can drop it. Chechi, how does it feel? If I don't want it, let it go. Nice. One by one. If I don't want it, let it go. Come on, let it go. If I don't want it, let it go. If I don't want it, let it go. Anything which is bothering you, write it down. How does it feel?
Very slow.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.